Pavol Regenda will not continue with San Jose Sharks, that's clear, obviously. Do you think he should get a chance or he's mid? Because a lot of comments I've seen were saying like he's mid, you know, he's not cut for NHL. Look how my eyes go with this, really good. He went recently on the podcast, and I want to spill some tea for you for English speaking because this is ridiculous. Not what he said, I mean, it was kind of weird, but what the media, like, they take the sentence, even the media that I thought are kind of like normal, they take the sentence out of the context and then they make a heading out of it. When he mentioned that he got a lot of shit in the locker room because of like the way he dresses and like players would make fun of him, they call it a trauma. I mean, dude. And then he said that the mentality, like he feels closer to Slavics than Americans, which is normal because he is a Slavic. It does remind me of Roman Chervenka. Obviously, Regenda is nowhere near to this kind of quality, but it's all about, does the North American hockey style fits you or not? Because we can all agree that Chervenka is the best European player, like by far. I mean, the player playing in Europe. He played only 39 games in the NHL and then went to Europe and put up some amazing numbers. Not to mention the Worlds and all that. Let me show you. Elite prospects, yeah? This is this is what's there. And for some players, you know, it's not the skill that it's lacking to play in the NHL, it's the mentality. It's you don't fit in, for example, with the mindset, with mentality of North America. You just kind of need to touch ground, and some players just like European lifestyle, mindset, culture, and they're not cut out for the NHL. But that doesn't mean they're unable to play there and, you know, be good. Because many times at the Worlds and at the Olympics and like going all the way, I mean, he's 40, right? So I'm talking about even now, but like previous, how impactful he was for Czech Republic and how he could easily play and score against the best players in the world. If Pavol Regenda doesn't like the culture and mentality of North America and he feels like is unable to fit in, then it's no shame to go to Europe, you know, and you can play in beautiful Switzerland or Sweden or even like Czech Republic. First of all, like, I don't think there's any shame to admit that maybe you're not cut out for it. Or maybe you're tired of hustling because being in the AHL is no fun, you know. Not to mention you don't earn almost anything because you just spend what you earn. And secondly, it's very exhausting because like you travel by buses and like you don't stay in nice hotels. You go play. It reminds me of what Shimon Nemec said. He thought his hometown is a shithole and then he went to play in Utica. Don't force it. If it's not for you, then it's not for you. And if you go to Europe, I'm happily gonna come see you.